Recently, we were back in the eastern Bahamas with Jim Abernathy to watch a research team tag oceanic white-tipped sharks off the coast of Cat Island. Between diving with the sharks, Guy Harvey was eager to fish. This is a prime area for blue marlin. We had one marlin on the line with the goal to catch, film, and release the animal. But before we could get it to the boat, the marlin was bitten by one or more oceanic white-tipped sharks.
All right, let's bring him in the boat. We're going to use this tomorrow.
Fishermen are constantly on the lookout for sharks because the sharks respond to engine sounds and will take a fish at the last moment.
The reason Jim came here 5 years ago was because he heard about stories from sport fishermen about their prizes, their catches being attacked by oceanic whitetips in quite large numbers. And here before us is evidence of just that happening. We just caught this blue marlin. Unfortunately, it got nailed by an oceanic whitetip, and they can take big bites.
And look at this bite. Oh my God, that is a single bite. Just took it complete out. That's huge.
You know, in Ernest Hemingway's story of The Old Man and the Sea, he fought that marlin for 2 days and 2 nights and tied the marlin up beside the boat. The first shark to attack it was a mako shark, which he dispatched, it having taken a big piece out of the marlin. And then the horde came, and that horde included oceanic whitetips. And he fought them through the night until there was nothing left of the carcass except the skeleton, the head, and the tail. And you can see how, if we put this out here now, in half an hour, this would be history.
Dr. Mahmoud Shivji takes the genetic sample of the marlin, and then we decide to turn a sad situation into a learning opportunity to watch the power of the oceanic whitetip. We floated the marlin out. Before long, 2 oceanics were very interested. If you watch carefully, you can see how the shark bites, shakes, and saws. An oceanic's tooth is like a mini great white shark tooth, a mini saw. You'll find out more about oceanics in an upcoming Guy Harvey documentary. For more on sharks in the Bahamas, around the world, and the troubles they face, check out This Is Your Ocean Sharks, now available.